guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Taiwo, and today's video will be about me writing my aunt's brand name on the wall of our studio and transforming into something more beautiful and nice. In case you're new to this channel is all about lifestyle vlogging, and also I'm an artist, so I post content of my artworks, and if you really love my content, which I'm sure you will, make sure you subscribe and click the like button. I really appreciate this. Thank you. So guys, the first thing you need to be successful on this is that you need the ink. You can use acrylic or glass. It depends on how you want it to come out with. For this one, I'm going to be getting a gloss. And also guys, you need to print out the name of whatever you're doing. It depends. You can do a freestyle, which I don't want to do. Yeah. So if you're not doing the freestyle, then you have to print out the name like this, the name of what you want to write like this. I have 3 copies of this because it's a long name, so I have 3 copies of this. So I'm going to join them together and start work. But make sure that your printout is the same size as your space. That means you have to measure your space before doing this. So your space which you want to make this on will determine how big or how small your font size will be. Thank you.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried.
Right now, I'm just taping them together, making sure I tape the sides that I won't be cutting out and round about it to ensure that it's down to it, because it has to hold together all through the cutting process. You want to make sure you tape it very well. And in this case, you have to either use a sellotape, which I will recommend a sellotape, to tape your papers together. But in my case, I actually use a paper tape, which is also considerable, but I would advise using sellotape. It holds more better.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So let's start cutting out. We can use 2 methods. It's either we use the blade or the scissors. But the scissors won't be perfect for this job, so the blade.
Then I start cutting out. Now, if you're not sure about how straight your hand is, you might consider using a ruler for this process of cutting out the font. But even a ruler might not be perfect for it, because there are letters with curves and the bending out, but you still will have to use your hand at some point. But for the straight part, you might want to use a ruler if you're not sure about yourself. But try your best to have a perfect letter. If you are not able to have a perfect letter, it's fine, it's okay, no pressure. Everybody is not perfect, we are only trying to be perfect. So in case you make mistakes, I also did make mistake in mine, so you just try your best to use your blade to refine your edges very well, so that your mistakes won't be much. Yeah, and also when you make mistakes, try to use your blade as well to refine those edges as well, to make sure your curves are perfect. So in case you make mistake, it's fine. I'm going to teach you a way to cover up for your mistake while painting this on the wall. I'm still going to teach you a method later in the same video of how to cover up for your mistakes, for your rough edges if you make one. So you don't have to pressurize yourself. Nobody's perfect. I also made mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes.
nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head.
So now I'm done with my cutout, my font is out and everything is ready. That's my hand trying to help me hold the tape and everything to make sure that the font is centralized where we want it to be. In my case, I don't want it to be too tall or to be too short. I want it to be in a specific space. She knows what she wants, so we were just like going back, checking it from the back. How does it look? Oh, it looks slanted. Bring it down. It's not bad if you have someone around you while doing this as well. Ask for their help. Tell them to help you to look at it to ensure your font is not slanted on the wall. If it is, go back and you see me going and coming here. Make sure that it is well placed where you want to be.
Feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from
Now you have to take your time as well to glue the part of your font that has extra input, like the E, the S, this part. Then when you're done with that, make sure you have your foam. Now this foam, you have to roll it to get this. You have to roll it together and tape it at the bottom like I did mine. It has to be like that so it will be easy for you to do the dabbing. This process is called dabbing because you dab on the surface, so it's called dabbing process. So you have to ensure you dab it well and you start from the edges. The edges of your paper. Don't dab from inside your font. Go around your edges, that way you will avoid mistakes. Try your best not to touch the wall too much to avoid staining it. That's me trying my best not to touch the wall. I was always putting my hand on the paper and avoid touching the wall so I wouldn't stain it. You have to be very, very careful about that. Okay, now that we're done, look at it. My glass wasn't thick, yeah. So I felt that it's affected, it's made it smear, yeah. The process of your work spreading to where you don't want it to be is called smearing in graphics here. I have the color of the background of the work, which was white, and I decided to correct it. Now, this is the method I said I'm going to teach you. Buy the paint of the work. When you buy the paint, then you use it to cover up for the mistakes. By doing so, your font will be more refined and your mistake won't be obvious. So it's time for the flowers. It's time for me to start putting in the flowers. Now, this is not hard. I must promise you, this is a simple DIY you can do by yourself. You don't need to hire someone to make these decorations for you because you can do it. Now you have to cut out your paper, make sure it is a perfect square. In my case, I use 9 by 9, 10 by 10. In different sizes, I use 4 by 4. Yeah, it just has to be a perfect square. And after doing that, you fold it in and tuck it in. When you're done folding it like that, you draw a curve on your paper and cut it out following this line you've drawn. So by doing this, you have a flower at the end of the day. Yeah, that's a flower. Now you have two methods. I'm going to teach you the two methods, although there are many other methods, but I'm going to teach you just two for the sake of this video because I already used two for my flower. Of making your flower look more like a flower, you use your scissors to draw it out like that. When you do it that way, your flower we have a kind of texture. Yes, it's gonna have a texture. Look at that, you see that? Now it has a texture. I'm gonna go in with another square, doing another one. This time I'll teach you another texture for your flower. Just the same folding over and on and on. And the hack on your, I call it a hack, I don't know. It's a hack. Then you cut it out and then you have another flower.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day.
So this other texture, you're just gonna use your scissors. So this time you bend to two that way. You see, I don't know how to explain that method. Thank God it's a visual, so you can see how I'm doing it. Yes, like that. You cut your flower shape to two, bend it. Yes, you see that. You can also use your hand. Depends on your paper texture. The papers I'm using here is a sugar paper. I use sugar paper all through, so I think a sugar paper texture varies. Sometimes I find it more easy and prettier to use my hand to form the shape. You see how pretty it looks? That's my best texture for flower. Apart from any other texture and design people use, this is it. Just going and cutting different colors. Now about colors, I'm gonna say this, it depends. If it's a brand, then I would advise you use the brand color. But if it's you, you want it in your room, maybe you want to write peace, joy, or anything you want to write in a room or in a space you want to be there, it's the color you prefer will be the color of the paper or the color of the brand. So don't get it mixed up. You don't overwork it. You just use the color you prefer if it's your personal stuff or the color of the brand you're helping to do this. Okay, you have to get worked up on it. So that's me trying to figure out the colors, the blending, how the blending of the look good, trying to merge these colors together, doing my best to ensure that those colors are sitting well, because in my case I had to use blue, white and pink. Yeah, so I was looking for how the blue can sit in, which parts it can sit in, how it's going to look like, so just trying to fix it, checking it before gumming it together. So eventually I start gumming it after deciding how I want them to sit.
Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
More so, this gumming process, I'm using a water gum. A water gum is a paper gum basically, and a sugar paper is a paper. So you can use a water gum or any other gum. You can use a top one, but I was using a water gum in my case because it also works perfectly fine. And I added a stone, a small stone. You see me have a stone between some of the flowers to give it more textures. So you can use a big stone or a small one.
I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space.
Then I got a super glue. Now this super glue is not just a super glue. It can glue I don't want to say anything, but it works so well. So I got it for this work and it did so well. Now that's me asking people who were there, especially my aunt, is a flower okay? Yes. Should I put it? Yes. So you don't, it's not bad if you have help, okay? It's not bad, okay? So make sure you're having it where you want to be. In my case, I don't want the flower to be all over the front. I just want it to be around the corner to just give it a little texture. That's why I didn't do so much flowers for it. I just want it to look good. So I will advise you also do the same. If the flower is too much, it's kind of look off. But if the flower is just not too much, yeah, it looks perfect and good. So go ahead and do yours, fix it the way you want to be. This is so simple and it's something you can do by yourself. You can use it to write anything, whatever you want to write in your room, in your space, in your office, at the backdrop, it costs you so less. I'm not sure I spent up to $1. Okay, I think I spent like $2, yeah, because of the printing and the ink. Yeah, yes. Oh my god, I spent more than $2 because of the sugar paper. Yeah, it's something you can do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still
Hi
learning.
guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on Taiwo.
Life with a bread in front of me. I need focus to keep me from
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I got nightmares in my
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a
Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, I got that.
until I can't hear.
Hi guys.
Mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me.
Thank
somewhere
you.
much deeper.
Thank you.
I've been feeling